everyone, I'm your extra girl. Welcome back to the Dollar Show, and we're going to do unboxing Shein and my cat. She's trying to ruin my vlog. This is my 302 vlog. Since my lucky number is 3, I would like to start it from 300. So my 301 vlog was in Humalig Island. So watch out mo yun. Maganda pong place yun. So this is my second comeback of my vlog. Kasi matagal ako nawala sa vlogging. Nag-start ako ng vlog in 2019 or 20. So that would be 4 years ago. So ngayon ako, for sure na mag-active na ako. And now we're going to unbox my Shein. And lately ko lang siya na-discover yung Shein, maganda pala siya. Hindi siya ganun kamahal din. As in yung mga products nila, yung nasa tama lang. So, most of my online shopping kasi sa Lazada and Shopee. So, and now, I really wanted to share with you kung ano ba yung quality ng Shein. So, it's not sponsored, guys. I just really wanted to experience the experience of the product of Shein. Well, last week ko pa ito na-receive. Ngayon ko lang open for, of course, for my vlog. So, watch out you guys. Ooh! Ang makagandahan dito, ano siya, ng buo nila ipapadala sa'yo. For example, you have a different items like may dress kayo, may short, bags, or etc. Mga accessories nyo, or whatever, what it is. Isang bagsak nila yan. Papadala sa'yo like this. I don't know how many items is here. Siguro mga 6 items. Oh! This is my bag. Wow! Sama-sama nilang ipapadala dito sa'yo. Isang bagsakan lang. So maybe you can wait for 5 days working, something like that. So easy. It's only worth of, I think it's 800 something plus. Then the shipping would cost you kasi sa ibang bansa nga siya. So I like it. Shoulder bag. Guys, tarararan, dan-danan. Pwede na pang rugged suksan. Parang classy lang siya. Gusto ko yung mga ganitong kulay. Parang nude or... Hindi naman siya nude. Ito naka-light brush. Show it to you guys. How beautiful it is. Ganda na guys. Then, meron siyang ang shoulder bag din siya. Why I love Shein kasi mas marami silang style na mas pasok. Mas pasok sa uso ngayon. And what is this? mga borloloy. Parang hindi common yung mga ginagamit ko. Ayun kasi may katulad minsan. Kasi minsan, di ba? Pag nasa online shopping ka, parang para-parehas na yung mga style nyo. Minsan, naglalakad ka parehas sa damit nyo. So, this one, at least, kahit ko paano. Bihira lang. Hindi naman nasing wala. So, next would be what I ordered. Oh, I have my dress. Kasi soon, I will have my Subic. Maybe I will attend for dinner buffet at Yak. Solo traveler lang naman ako. So, I use this one. This month then, wala, so, ang liit, pero okay lang, parang kasya naman din sa akin. That would be medium. So, yes. And it cost, and magkano to? I think mga nasa 600 to. Yan, 600 for the white dress. Ano siya? Tama ba? And I have here short. Pangbahay lang. I think mga 300 or 200. Yun. Ewan ko. Malalaman natin yun kung maganda ba to. Just colored. Just wait. Ooh. least maganda naman yung style niya. Hindi siya parang as in mumurahin or something na parang 50-50. So, you will love it, guys. Out na. Short also. Short din siya. Kasi wala na akong mga short, guys. So, nag-try akong Ang laki! Medium! I know, it's medium. So, this would be nasa 600, 400. Hindi ko na maalala, guys. Tatlo na siya, guys. So, maganda siya pang bahay lang din. Or pwede mo naman siguro pag mag-beach ka. So, yung simple ka lang. Ganyan. Oo. Diba? Tsaka cotton siya, guys. Hindi siya mainit. Hindi siya nasa mainit sa balat. So, I like it. Ito may white din ako. I love white color. Gusto ko talaga yung mga beige. Beige. Bisaya ako dyan, guys. Kaya minsan yung pronunciation. Nakakatuwa. Bisaya mandang. Ito. Yan. I like it. Ah. Yung chan ko lang. Okay, I like it. 3 pieces na siya. So, yan. So, try nyo try nyo mag-order sa Shein. I really like the style there. Maganda siya, guys, oh. Tapos yung tela niya maganda. Yung quality talaga ng tela. Depende yun, ah. Tsaka yung style talaga yung nagustuhan ko. Then, next would be the... what's this? Wala, hindi ko alam yung pinag-check out ko. Oh! Or this is dress also, guys. Oh, I think this is 600. 600. Iba kasi talaga yung mga style nila. And ang quality, yung kulay, maganda siya. Kaka-attract yung kulay. Hindi ko alam kung saan to. Mahubaran na ako. Ay, ito lang yung camera ko. I love Shein na kasi. That's why. Sponsor naman na. Marami na. Ano, popular na. Yan. Kasama na siya short. Well, medyo manipis siya. Pero what I like about it, hindi siya yung mumunahin na manipis. Parang ano lang. Pero maganda yung quality niya. Ah, sorry. It's here, guys. Dito. Ang tingkad ng kulay niya. Kaya nakaka-akit. Yun. Okay, next. Shirt din. Adik ako sa shirt. Ay, pang beach. Yan, guys. So, ganda, guys. Pang beach kulay. Pero nahiya ako dito suotin kung bagay sa akin kasi malaki yun siya. Carry naman. My goodness. Ang cute niya, guys. Kaya ko ba to? Baka naman bili-bili lang ako, hindi ko masuot. Pero maganda siya, guys. Promise. Para akong nasa Encantadia. Fashion na yan! Joke! So, yan ang kasi ginagawa ko, no? Okay. Ito, dress. I have 2 dress. Yung pang yak. And this one is for pang semi lang. Red yung kulay. Pang beach, guys. Look. Sexy kaya ako nito, guys. Sige, guys. I'll just wait for a minute. Ta-da! Very, very, very. Pero nahiya ako nito, guys. Promise. Pero ito maganda siya. So for sure, guys, ito. Nabili ko to ng nasa 300 plus. So syempre may shipping fee pa yun. So medyo malaki-laki din. Pero alam mo, mas malaki yung shipping fee ng bag ko. Take na sa 200 or 300. Then this one is 300. I don't know what's the shipping fee. shipping fee.
Okay, the last one. Tarantantan. Oh, because I have a shooting range in Nike. So, I have my here. Oh. And it cost me 400, I think. Okay. For the shooting range. Oh, kasama na yan. Kompleto na sa taas. There. So, that's all my shin today. It cost of 3,138. Okay, it cost me of 3,138 or something. Basta 3,000 plus 200, something like that. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So, I told you. So, isang bagsakan nila. So guys, that's our full today. So marami pa akong i-vlog in the future. For now, ito lang muna yung content ko. Lagi kasi akong nag-online shopping. So this is my experience in Shein. And it's not sponsored, I hope. Sponsor naman. Pag ano na, popular lang. But I like this. I like the shorts. I like the style. Please, for more videos, subscribe to my channel, click the notification bell, comment down below. You have something to suggest on ano ba yung gusto nyo i-vlog ko. And thank you guys for watching this video. Bye!